Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Apple Pencil 2 double tap not working in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to make sure that the feature is actually enabled. For that, go to your iPad. Then in your iPad, go to the settings. In settings, go to Apple Pencil. Over here, you need to look for double tap option and you need to basically check what action is selected. If it is turned off or set incorrectly, double tap won't do anything. So you can choose the options like switch between the tools or show the colors palettes or switch between the current and the last tool or off. So sometimes the connection glitches are the most common reason why this particular problem occurs. So you can first of all detach your Apple Pencil from iPad, then you can attach it back to the magnetic side to reconnect it. You can also go to the Bluetooth settings, then forget the Apple Pencil and pair it again. This also going to basically refresh the connection. You can double tap works through the touch detection on the flat side. So if there is dirt, oil or moisture, it may not register taps. So you need to use a clean dry cloth in order to wipe the flat side of the pencil. Also just make sure that your fingers are dry while using it. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.